salami with red wine. The salami we choose the meat from the shoulder.
Andrea, thank you for having us. We are delighted to be in the beautiful town of San Miniato.
Thank you.
It is absolutely gorgeous, as is your meat shop. So could you explain a little bit how your family came to own such a thing? Because I know you've been here for generations now.
Yeah, yes, I am a fourth generation.
Sam, Vasco, my grandfather, after my father, Sergio, and now I. As a fourth generation since 1925.
And when I start to work here, I respect my background, my culture, my historic family, traditional, and I choose to change a modern method for the butcher's method, as a new philosophy, a new method for when I was young. And after I continue to the live concerts or performance inside the butcher shop, and very interesting when call me for all parts in the world to teaching the method for cut and makeup products.
Do you feel that the community has embraced you? I know that you're far-reaching, much beyond the community, but the community, you are able to use local ingredients. Do you hire people to gather the fennel seeds and things like that?
Yeah, when we use the ingredients for makeup products, it's very original from the local.
Mm-hmm.
Because we born for local culture, and we don't change the method. We respect, but we have an evolution for makeup products.
Right.
But you can study and you can organize it to survive at this change, to this natural change. It is natural. It's not very so nice, but it's you can organize it. Yeah.
Yeah. Would you recommend that other people try to follow, not necessarily with meat, but follow this system of respecting the tradition, working forward with evolution and imagination and creation, but following a slow food philosophy?
Yeah, it's very important, your background, because it's your identity. Now, as okay, we respect the recipes, we respect the method for make our recipes or products, but you studying for yourself is the evolution to make a products or make our recipes for the kitchen. And because the epoch is a change, the taste for the people is a change.
Yes.
For respect your background, but for new era.
I think not only with the food, but with everything else in the culture.
Yeah,
that is
sure.
so important. That's why
Yes,
we have
because
our
it's a food
students
that's important, but the food is from the culture.
here. Yes.
And you studying the foods, the recipes, the meat, organic, fish, what you prefer. But it's important studying the culture for the place.
Yes.
We can change. We can.
Yeah. We all do whether we want to or not, but it's nice to have some control over how you're making the change. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes from your day to visit
thank
with
you.
us. We really appreciate it. We're from the center of the United States in Oklahoma.
Yeah, sure.
So
I know
it's,
Oklahoma because I show you the Thunder. Basketball.
Yes,
yeah.
definitely. The
Westbrook,
Thunder.
Paul George. I like so much of basketball, NBA, and I show you the match in the nights because we have the jet lag. And,
Yeah.
that's about that.
Thank you again.
Thank you. Ciao.
hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.